Assalamu alaikum. Today I make a video about Jahangirnagar University's natural condition. The natural condition of Jahangirnagar University is very nice. There is there is situated in different types of lake. You can see that after after raining, the remove remove the dust in everywhere in our university. So the natural environment of this university is very nice to look at, and everywhere is a cool morning breeze, and you can see that there is a lake. The water is flowing one part to another part, and many people are sitting there, and takes a cup of tea and uh, pass their time. There is a tea stall, and the student of Jahangirnagar University, when they are very tired, they take a cup of tea and other types of food from this shop. Many are gossiping with their friends, and and I think this is a man who is always sitting there, and everywhere in our university many people are takes a cup of tea, and
Many students, yeah. Many students are
so I think this is our you can see the registered building in our university. Many people are riding bicycle. Some are coming to library by motorbike, and some are come to rickshaw, and some rickshaw people are riding their rickshaw.